Hey tech lovers, meet the DJI Avata 360, a drone that captures everything, even your mistakes, and turns them cinematic. Is it the future of cinematic drones, or just overhyped? Let's break it all down. Let's start with its excellent 360-degree capture that records everything around. 360 degrees capture means you don't need perfect framing mid-flight. You reframe later like a director. Basically, even if you fly like a confused pigeon, your footage still looks cinematic. Content creator cheat code? Perfect for YouTube, TikTok, and Reels. One flight equal multiple angles. In reality, shoot once, post 10 videos, confuse the algorithm into loving you. What about its beginner-friendly FPV vibe? The Avata series is known for being easy to fly and forgiving, so the 360 version will likely be stable, safe, and hard to instantly destroy. You don't need to be a drone expert, just emotionally prepared for your first crash. Built for tight spaces, with propeller guards and Cinehoop design, you can fly through doors, windows, and your friend's personal space. When it comes to its cinematic flexibility, expected high-res 360, likely 8K-ish range. You can crop, zoom, reframe. Basically, you're filming now and deciding your idea later. Yeah, let's talk about what could be as drawbacks on this drone. 8K, but not really 8K everywhere. 360 spreads resolution across the whole sphere, but when you zoom in, quality drops. Battery life equal emotional damage? Avata 2 has already 23 minutes max battery life. 360 processing means more power hungry. Expect 12 to 18 minutes real usage. When it comes to its editing work, that feels like your new full-time job. You must reframe footage, otherwise it looks like security camera footage from space. Overall, the Avata 360 isn't about flying perfectly, it's about making imperfect flying look perfect. Go for it if you create content, YouTube, TikTok, travel videos. You want easy cinematic shots, and you like fixing mistakes in editing. Skip it if you want pure FPV speed and control. You hate editing, and you expect GoPro-level sharpness everywhere. So, if you enjoy this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for weekly content.